Alright, here we go. We have a 2004 W211 Mercedes E320, and we gotta replace this door handle here because this door handle is a little bit broken. I guess the chrome plastic has already worn off on it, and what I'd like to do is I'd really like to replace it with this new one that I've got right here, and this is a nice new piece, so I'd like to swap it out. Let's see, I think I've got the part number here. Yep, there's the part number, and I've got the little grommet plastic piece because I have a feeling that the original one is probably not doing too well because of its age. But let's go ahead and get started. I think some of the first tools that you'll definitely probably need are these interior panel removal tools. Probably these will be the best bet so you don't scratch up your interior components. In this case, the door panel. I think let's start out by, how about we start out by removing this speaker cover panel. Now this is a 2004 E320, and pretty clean car, mostly original, so we'll try and make sure we don't break anything. Maybe we'll just leave that alone, let that dangle there. Let's see, I think there's a fastener hiding behind this plastic piece here, so we'll go ahead and pop this off. Yeah, I can see it's starting to come out already. Let's see. So I have already unplugged the battery, both the auxiliary battery. Let's remove this door lock knob here. This just rotates off. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There we go. Keep that there. Pretty sure these are Torx. Yeah, these are Torx fasteners. So we're gonna need a Torx driver there. So we will go ahead and get a Torx driver. I'm guessing it's like a T30 or something. T20. T20. Okay. There's that. Oh. Got it right there. So definitely have to remove this piece. Put that back there. Now let's see, what else do we have? There's a screw right there, and it looks like a Torx to me. Not sure if you can see it, but it's right there. So that looks a lot bigger. It looks like a T30. Let's try a T30. Yep, T30. Here's the screw, it's a T30. Yep, T30. So I got that one. I think there's a plastic panel here, yeah, right here. This is a plastic panel that we could just probably remove with our hands. There it is. Slides on out. And look at that, there's two more Torx screws here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there, and right there there's two that are visible. Those also look like T30s, so give that a shot. There's the second screw. Now I think that's all. Probably use this prying bar to pop out all the plastic nuts that hold the door panel on. And I think that should be it. So let's just work around the corners here. There we go. Now it's pretty loose, and then we're gonna pull in the up direction. There's a little latch here that connects the door lever. You can kind of see it moving. It's the door lever. So I need to disconnect that cable, and there's a couple of other cables back here that I need to disconnect as well. So let's do this cable. Okay. Well, this is the thing that I care about. Maybe I could leave these cables alone. Nice flat Delphi ribbon cable here. A bunch of other cables there. So I think this is the door handle here. And I'd like to replace this plastic thing because I have a new component for that. So let me see if I can do this without nose pliers. There we go. Got that piece out. Pretty yellow. Throw that on the floor. I think this is what holds the lever in place. So we'll, I wonder if I can get this on camera. What we're going to do is we're going to lift it up, rotate it right, rotate it down, and pull it out. There we go. There's that piece. That's pretty amazing that did not break. So cool. And then slide out the old handle. Just pull it straight out. And there it is, the old handle.